Welcome to the best picks. The best plush snake is probably one of the most sought-after stuffed animals for kids and adults, offering a unique blend of comfort, fun, and imaginative play. In this video, we will explore the wonderful world of plush snake toys, examining their features, benefits, and what to look for when selecting the perfect one for yourself or a loved one. We'll cover everything from size and material to design and durability, ensuring you make an informed decision. Number 5. Wild Republic Snake Plush. Get ready for hours of fun with this giant, cuddly snake. It's perfect for snuggling, playing, and sparking your child's imagination. At 70 inches long, it's big enough for kids to play with and even use as a fun bed buddy. It's incredibly soft and huggable. This plush snake is made with high-quality materials, built to last through countless adventures. Plus, it's surface washable for easy cleaning. It's more than just a toy, it's a gateway to imaginative play and learning about wildlife. Watch your child's face light up with wonder. This amazing plush snake is a must-have for any child who loves animals or just loves to cuddle up with something soft and fun. Order yours today. It's so big and impressive, it will look fantastic on a bed or as a decorative piece in a child's room. It's a conversation starter for sure. What we like? It's incredibly long and perfect for cuddling or as a statement piece. If you're looking for a giant plush snake that's also durable and easy to clean, this is it. This plush snake is ideal for imaginative play and creating fun memories with your kids. What people say. Looks great and realistic, makes rattle sound, and large just like description. Super plush and looks like a rattler. I honestly was surprised at how soft this was when I pulled it out of the package. My older son has a similar one, different brand, and it's not soft like this one. I also didn't realize it had a rattle-like thing at the end of the tail, so it sounds like a rattlesnake or something of the sorts. Well sewn, soft, and I didn't realize the tail rattled. Works well to scare family afraid of snakes simply because it's so big and catches you off guard. His name is Blue. Like from Jurassic Park. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Boa. Get ready for some serious fun with this enormous, lifelike stuffed snake. It's over 14 feet long and perfect for imaginative play. This isn't your average stuffed animal. It's a gigantic boa constrictor, ready for big hugs and even bigger adventures. With its realistic details, it looks just like the real thing. You'll be amazed by the quality. It's made from high-quality, durable materials and is even surface washable for easy cleaning. It's built to withstand hours of play. Looking for a unique and memorable gift? This is it. It's perfect for kids of all ages, encouraging hands-on, screen-free fun. Let your creativity run wild with this impressive stuffed snake. It's a fantastic way to spark imaginative play and storytelling. What we like? This one is unbelievably huge, offering a truly immersive huggable experience. If you want a realistic-looking snake that's perfect for all ages, this is your best bet. It makes a fantastic gift for kids and adults alike who appreciate unique and impressive plush toys. What people say. The quality is great, and the size is amazing. 14 feet is an accurate measure. It is nice and soft, making it easy to bunch up and use as a pillow. It's really long, so she wraps it around herself. It's a great gift for a snake enthusiast. It's definitely the longest we've found. The snake is smooth fabric. Stitching seems to be good and in line with other Melissa and Doug products. Number 3. Aurora Playful Snake. Get ready to meet your new best friend, a super soft and cuddly companion. It's the perfect size for snuggling and playtime. Made from the highest quality materials, it feels incredibly soft and luxurious against your skin. You'll love how cozy it is. With its realistic design and vibrant color, it's sure to be a standout in any plush collection. It's a unique and fun addition to your home. It's not just for cuddling, it's also great for imaginative play. Let your creativity run wild and create amazing adventures. Made without bean pellets, it's safe and suitable for everyone. It's a wonderful gift for kids and adults alike. At 50 inches long, it's the perfect size for snuggling, playing, and adding a touch of whimsy to your space. It's big enough for big adventures. What we like. This plush snake is incredibly soft and cuddly, making it perfect for snuggling. If you are looking for a comfortable and safe plush toy for all ages, this is the one. Its exotic design adds a unique touch to any plush collection. What people say. This plush is very soft, cute, and well-made, and is so pleasant to hold and look at. I was worried it'd be small, but it's fairly big and perfectly huggable. It's much thicker and the head is bigger than I expected. It's very soft and the material feels of good quality. It has a soft yellow fur and the white underbelly is thicker fur. Number 2. Ice King Snake Toy. Get ready to meet your new best friend, a super realistic and cuddly green snake. It's incredibly soft and detailed, you won't believe how lifelike it is. The short plush is incredibly soft and supple, giving it an amazing realistic texture. Notice the attention to detail, even down to the tongue. Despite its realistic look, it's wonderfully cute and cuddly. It's the perfect blend of realism and charm. It's a great size for cuddling at 12 inches tall and 30 inches long. Perfect for snuggling up with on the couch. Looking for a unique and memorable gift? This plush snake is a fantastic choice. It's sure to be a hit with anyone who receives it. Feel the incredible softness of the plush material. It's so luxurious and inviting, you'll want to cuddle it all day long. What we like. This plush snake is designed to look incredibly realistic, yet it retains an adorable charm. If you appreciate attention to detail and are looking for a unique gift, this is a great option. It's a soft toy that's also a conversation starter. What people say. My son asked for a snake stuffy for Christmas and he loves this little guy, takes him everywhere and it wraps around his shoulders. I like that it holds its shape and stands up. My granddaughter loves it and named it Hiss. I recommend this. Is a good gift for kids because it is a cute snake versus a more lifelike one. Has a sweet face, and really does stand up in a coil. Number 1. Bernard Python Plush. Meet Bernard, the adorable 9.5-foot-long plush snake. He's made from soft, huggable fabric and is ready to become your new best friend. Bernard is sewn from high-quality acrylic fabrics and filled with soft polypropylene. He's perfect for snuggling. It's safe for children aged 3 and up. He's made without phthalates, lead, BPA, or heavy metals, and meets all safety standards. Keeping Bernard clean is simple. Just hand wash with mild soap and cold water, then let him air dry. At 9.5 feet long, he's a great size for imaginative play. He even comes with his own story. Bernard comes with a 90-day manufacturer's warranty against defects. Enjoy your new friend. What we like. This plush snake is impressively long and incredibly soft, making it perfect for cuddling. If you are looking for a safe and high-quality plush toy that meets safety standards, this is the one. It's a great choice for children and adults who appreciate well-made, huggable plush toys. What people say. It's very well made and it's durable. For a stuffed snake, the colors and mouth are great. It was much better than a rubber one that I also used. High quality material, good design, and it's every bit of 10 feet long. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.